Well, welcome everybody. We are gathered here today to celebrate love, the love of two amazing people and dear to my heart, Teddy and Bianca.
Bianca, my love, you make me want to be a better man, the man that you deserve. I promise I will always protect, cherish, and protect your heart. I love our cuddles, and most importantly, I love listening to you sing with your perfect pitch. I'm so excited to start our forever together right now, and I feel like the luckiest man on earth.
Teddy, you were so thoughtful in our first messages and have continued that to this day. I love the way you love me, your tender heart, and how you make me and everyone around you feel seen, heard, and included. I love the sound you make when you smile, your great hugs, and so many more things about you. I'm so lucky to call you my husband soon, and I cannot wait to share this life with you. Too many more smiles, laughs, adventures together. I love you, Teddy.
Do you, Bianca, take Teddy to be your lawful and wedded husband? Do you, Teddy, take Bianca to be your lawfully and wedded wife? Do you promise to love Teddy unconditionally, to honor and respect him, to laugh and cry with, and to cherish until death do you part? Do you promise to love Bianca unconditionally, to honor and respect her, to laugh and cry with, and to cherish until death do you part?
I do.
I do.
By the power vested in me in the state of California and by God, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Teddy, kiss your bride.
Thanks for being part of our family. You're so welcomed, and really, I feel like we've been able to adopt a lovely family with you, Lisa, Nancy, Roberta, Brian. Thank you so much for making that out. So let's just raise our glasses to say thank you to this wonderful gathering. Thank you to the couple for bringing us together. And what a wonderful, wonderful day. Good job.
I'm so happy for you two and wish you infinite years of love, success, and happiness. I cannot wait to see your partnership progress even more and for the time when you add to your family and make me a quote-unquote auntie. I love you so much. Cheers to officially tying the knot and the beautiful years ahead.
May your covenant be always protected by God, shielded from the enemy. And may you guys live a long life together of happiness and understanding. We love you. Cheers.